start.
Hello, I'm Styx. We will learn how to play CodyCross. CodyCross is an award-winning crosswords puzzle game, published by Fanity. You can follow the adventures of an alien that came to Earth and discover different sceneries by solving word puzzles to advance to next levels. In this group number, there are up to 5 levels which you are about to reward. The names which appear when you finish all the levels. Let's see the demo of playing. When you click on any one of the phrase, the meaning is displayed on the smaller device. But in case of larger device called a tablet, all the meanings are displayed. For example, if the meaning says, a trifoliate plant that's symbol of Ireland. It's an 8-letter word, starts with an S, and ends with a K. The answer is, shamrock, as the phrase is complete. Some letters fly into the different phrases. If you get more letters flying to the next phrase, you will easily find out these words. These pink colored tiles are arranged vertically to find out the hidden word when you complete the level. If all the letters appear phrase by phrase, you'll get the hidden word. This is called a word decoder. For example, Atacama Desert, you found. It means, it is a desert plateau in South America covering a 1,600-kilometer strip of land on the Pacific coast, west of the Andes Mountains. Once you complete the group number, you'll get a reward for the boosts and tokens. Then you'll proceed in the next group and select level in any order. So, you now know how to play CodyCross. Like, comment, and subscribe now.